choosing between Martin D28 versus D18. Let's check it out. Oh, I like this one. Solid. Emen dati. Pero kanya.
Hindi ko naman gagamitin yan. Gamitin mo.
Checking this out. This is D18 Martin versus Martin D28. So this is the 28. I like it. Let's try the other one. This is a little smaller. D18. They were saying that this D18 is for singers and those are for guitar players. Of course, you know, singers wants to be heard and guitar players wants to be heard. I think that's what they meant. Nyati ko, makanam.
Malay ko.
Nyati ko.
Sige, isang yan.
Makita mo talaga kay Ivana.
Mas malakas siya. Kasi mas malaki.
Yan mata.
Mini-mini mo. Pareho naman yung price niya.
Parehas yung price.
Yep.
Pero ito, parang full guitar.
May sexy yung isa eh. Mas maliit siya. Sexy. Sexy versus...
Ay, nagadayo ba? Basit lang.
Mas matangkad yung isa.
Basit lang.
Yung siguro kaya mas buo. Buo rin yung isa. I mean, I don't know. I'm not a guitarist.
Basit lang mo diferensyado eh.
Pero mas malakas nga. Mas malakas yan.
I like this better though. I mean, they have the same. They're the same.
Same brand.
I think I'm just gonna get both of them.
Saya ka. Sa mo kinuha yung swerte mo. Hindi ka naman nananalo ng loto.
I like it.
Dami mo ng gitara. Kuya Eddie.
There's a storm